Hey friends, I'm here with a wig wearing tip for you today. Do you deal with flyaways on your synthetic or heat-friendly synthetic wigs? Flyaways can be normal, and biohair has flyaways, but sometimes you get a ton of these individual little flyaway hairs. This one isn't too bad because I've already treated it with what I'm about to tell you, but you get these flyaways, they get in your eyes, they get in your lip gloss, and they're really annoying. One product that I consider a must-have for all synthetic wig wearers is Renau Peace Out Cream. This is an old tub. This is almost 5 years old. Their tub is black now, but I want you to see how long this lasts. I love this stuff. I don't use it all the time. What I find it perfect for are short wigs that you want to get messy or piecey, or flyaways on other wigs. It's very, very thick, so you really don't need much at all. You can really gum up your wig if you use too much, but just put some on your fingers, emulsify it, and then just run it through the fibers. It's going to help smooth them out, and it's going to help contain some of those flyaways that are driving you crazy. You can, when on a short wig, if you put it in, you can really get in there and mess it up and make it really messy and piecey. So it has multiple applications. It's a little spendy, but it lasts forever. It truly is one of my must-haves for synthetic wig wearers.